equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the battery and touchpad on your Lenovo Yoga 720-13 IKB. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your device. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Flip the device over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Remember, keeping track of your screws is essential for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Next, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component with a connector attached. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling the connector away from the motherboard. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Now, remove the screws holding the battery in place. Once these screws are out, gently lift the battery out of the compartment. It's important to handle the battery with care, as it can be sensitive. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Place the new battery into the compartment and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. Next, we'll move on to the touchpad replacement. Locate the touchpad connector on the motherboard, which is usually near the bottom of the device. Disconnect it carefully using your spudger. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Now, remove the screws securing the touchpad. Once these screws are out, gently lift the touchpad from its position. Take your new touchpad and align it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws and reconnect the touchpad connector to the motherboard. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to clean the internal components with compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop. Finally, place the back panel back onto the laptop and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Now, power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You've successfully replaced the battery and touchpad on your Lenovo Yoga 720-13 IKB. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.